Tuesday means it's Tuesday, and Newsday means there's news. And that concludes our intensive 3-week course on the Tuesday Newsday. I'm your host, Andrew, and this is Crypto Espresso, your teeny tiny daily shot of caffeinated crypto headlines. Shall I compare thee to a summer's Newsday? First up, Celsius, the embattled crypto lender, is feeling the heat, as it has a little less than 3 months to plug a massive hole in its balance sheet. According to the information from its law firm, the company owes $2.8 billion more than it owns. Based on current estimates, its balance sheet will turn negative by the end of October. This far exceeds previous expectations and is mostly due to bigger than expected crypto liabilities in Bitcoin and ETH. Despite a recent relief rally, the GameFi sector has taken a bad beating in this bear market. Just how bad is outlined in a Footprint Analytics and CMC research report on the state of GameFi over the last 18 months. The paper shows that despite dwindling token valuations, GameFi is still growing in terms of investments. Although the games published often lacked quality and tokenomics led to dumping pressure, future high-end games could deal with that issue. Of course, that's all dependent on public sentiment towards things like NFTs and blockchain technology in video games. Based on some fan reactions to recent projects, that might be a tough hill to climb. After Galaxy Digital announced it would not acquire BitGo for $1.2 billion as previously planned, the crypto custody firm announced it would fight back. BitGo released a statement saying it would sue for $100 million in what it calls an absurd attempt to shift the blame for the failed merger. Galaxy Digital, for their part, cited the opponent's impossibility to provide adequate financial statements for its change of mind. Greenidge, a Bitcoin mining company based in New York and South Carolina, dropped 9.5% in after-hours trading on Monday as it reported a decline in mining revenues. Those fell by 17% quarter-on-quarter, reflecting the challenging earnings environment, according to CEO Jeff Kurt. Greenidge will therefore focus on its two existing mining sites and pause the development of new sites in Texas. And finally, another mining company, Bitfarms, also posted a poor quarterly result. The miner clocked a $142 million loss, even though revenues rose by 5%. Its hash rate increased by 33% as the company is pursuing its strategy of geographic diversification, planning mining sites in Canada and another in Argentina. Bitfarms also deleveraged its balance sheet, paying back a Bitcoin-backed loan and closing a new equipment financing deal. And according to our balance sheet here, you made it to the end of this video, so please consider liking it, subscribing to our YouTube channel, and clicking on that little bell icon to get buzzed whenever a new Crypto Espresso video goes live. Did today's video speak to you? Figuratively, I mean, I already know the literal answer, but hey, let us know in those comments below because I read them. And while you're down there, give your old pal Alex a visit. Ask Alex in that description below for more info on today's headlines and crypto in general. Alex is also a great resource for all things Web3 and that metaverse thing. Anyways, again, I've been your host, Andrew. These have been your headlines, and oh my goodness, look at the time. We'll see you tomorrow.